What's up, everyone? Today is a good day. We're going to go pick up our Moab bed from Adventure Wagon. They shipped it down FedEx, but it comes FedEx freight, which means you have to be home for the delivery. I think they give you like a 4-hour window, so I didn't want to wait around. My daughter's starting school tomorrow, and today we have like a meet and greet at the school with the teacher, and that's kind of right in the middle of the 4-hour window that they would give you. So I'm just going down to the FedEx office. It's unloaded there currently, and I'm gonna pick it up from them. So we're gonna head down, get the bed, and then check in with you guys in a little bit. We're gonna be installing the bed this weekend, I believe, with my buddy from Cardiff Camper Van. So stay tuned for that, and we'll check in with you soon. Bye. All right, so we're here at FedEx. I just parked in the visitor parking lot. They're gonna be bringing out the bed. And now I have a bee in the van. Oops, hey, get out of here, guy. So they're gonna be bringing out the bed and we'll get it loaded and on our way. Thank you, appreciate it. Well, they loaded that up pretty easily, so stoked, I'm out of here. We'll get home, open up the bed, kind of take a look at it. All right, everyone, here's the bed loaded in the van. We're gonna go ahead and open it up and check it out. I've got my beautiful daughter Sydney behind the camera filming.
Hello.
All right, let's pop this thing open.
Well, my dad is pretty strong because he's a big guy, you know that. He's a big guy, you know. Da 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 da.
All right, so here are you filming?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm showing them that thing.
Okay, so here's the bed frame, or the bed panels. There's gonna be L brackets that come up across here around the windows. And
And on the other side?
Yep.
This other side.
And then these are gonna be adjustable height. So there'll be a bed frame that comes across, and you can raise and lower the bed as needed. It's easy to install. You just pull these in, apparently.
The camper on.
Yeah, you can tell.
And by the way, it's really fun.
Alright, let's do this. Nice, good. Okay, watch out your fingers. Don't make sure they're not in the video. Okay, so here's the
It's
panels.
not.
They are on a
Well,
gas
what?
strut. They're on a gas strut here. So all you do is compress it, and then it pushes itself back out into the walls of the, and keeps the structure for it.
Yeah.
So, that looks good.
Woo. Oh.
And then we have our brackets, I guess, that basically they get mounted in here like this on both sides, front and back, and basically it'll make it so that the bed is adjustable and can be raised from like here all the way up to here. So it'll be great for me working out of the van. I'll be able to keep all my work stuff under when we're not camping, and then when we do go camping, we can drop it down lower and really make use of it. All right, next is the structure for the bed. These will come across this way, I believe.
I'm going to do this.
100% sure. Actually, I think these mount sideways along the sides of the bed. When you compress the panels and then release them, they'll sit into this track and hold it in place. And it supports up to like 600 pounds or something like that. And then outside of that, we just have some minor bolts and things like that. And some L-track. And the L-track is what we'll use. You mount it on those support structures, and then you can move it up and down. So that's basically it. This is going to be getting installed on Saturday with my buddy from Cardiff Camper Van. Cindy, do you have anything to say?
Not yet.
Okay.
But soon.
So yeah, that's basically it. I'll be taking this over to him. I'm also gonna go pick up some plywood and materials so that we can actually make the panels for back here as well and make it all nice. And then that'll be it for that portion. So we'll update you guys in a little bit. Fingers. And we'll see you on Sydney. We'll see you on Saturday. We'll do a little update video, a little bit of the install. All right. Bye bye. All right, boys and girls, today's the day. We're gonna go head over to my buddy's house right now and get this bed installed and build out the panels for the rear. So we're just swapping services here. So while he's doing that, I'm gonna be detailing out his wife's car. So we'll get some video of the install here and there, and also some of the detailing. Possibly on the detailing side. I only have so many hands, so it's hard. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna head over there now. Stay tuned. We'll show you some of the install and then the final product. All right, guys, so Corey just had to take off, but he's got the support mounts all buttoned up and installed. So as you can see right there, that's the support mount. Another one, he's just redoing the rivets on that one. But another one goes there, another L-track. Same for this side, here and there. Then the bed frame piece mounts there, and that's what it on both sides, and that's what the panels will kind of just expand into and be supported by that. So that's step one. We're actually going to be doing insulation, sound deadening insulation, and building out the panels here, and then this all will go back together. I'm going to be insulating and sound deadening that at a later date. But so far we're here, and I'll update you guys once it's all installed. Right now I said I'm swapping services for him, so I'm detailing this car for him. Just washed it down and clayed it, so it's all nice and smooth now. And go ahead and polish and reseal the paint. The inside's all done. Went ahead and shampooed all the carpets, wiped everything down with a UV protectant plastic coating. So all the door panels, the dash, everything like that. It's a nice satin finish, so you don't get that high gloss used car look. It just kind of brings everything back to looking like new. So that's it. We'll update you in a little bit. All right, guys, so bed is installed. As you can see, these are the platform pieces. You can actually compress them and remove them. So basically, we ran out of time yesterday, but right now I'm going to be running back over. We're going to be finishing out these panels, creating a support structure behind there, just so it doesn't move at all. Finishing out that piece there as well, and then upholstering them. Also, before we put them back up, we'll do all the sound deadening and insulation here, possibly up here before we put the headliner on, and then we'll be good to go. This will be all set, so we're gonna run back over to the house, get all that stuff going, get these dialed in and finished. Hey folks, I just left Cardiff camper van. I'm stoked, man. The bed is in, the panels are in. It's sound deadened in the back, as well as insulated, and I can already tell a big difference just while I'm driving. The difference in sound, with the wind noise and all that kind of stuff. So once I get home, I'll kind of give you guys a more detailed look at the panels. And but yeah, everything came out killer. Corey at Cardiff Camper Van, if you guys need anything for your vans built out like that, he's the man. So stay tuned. We'll show you guys here soon. As soon as I get home, I'll put the camera in the back so you guys can see. All right, folks, so I apologize. It's been a few days since we actually completed the bed install. I've just been pretty busy, so but I wanted to take this time right now to go ahead and show you the install, and so I'm gonna flip you guys around. All right, so here it is. As you can see, we got the windows in, got the back panels all paneled in and upholstered. This is the L-track here. So there's 4 posts of L-track. Okay, and that supports this cross beam here that the bed slips into. And here's the bed. This is the platform for it. These are just window covers that I made They're actually insulated and everything, so I can do a video on that as well. But that's the bed. Throw these back in here real quick. So on top of that, I ordered this foldable mattress from Amazon. It's just a queen size. It's not a perfect fit, guys. So as you can see, there's a little, I don't know, maybe, I don't know, 4 inches, 5 inches, at least on each side. So it's not a perfect fit. And then I'll run around the back as well. And you can see, because the back of the bed tapers in, so it fits okay like that. But then when you push it forward, you can see that it's got this angle to come around the plastic pieces back here. So it doesn't fit perfectly. Because of that, what I am doing actually, I'm gonna use this for the bottom. So this is where my daughters will sleep. It's cool, this thing does fold up into a mattress, into a little couch too, so for the girls to just hang out, and that'll be nice. I'll put a link in the description below. I got this on Amazon. It was like 140 bucks for a queen. So that was great. However, you know, this bed costs like 25, basically 3 grand, actually more like 3,500 bucks shipped for the platform bed, the adjustable height. So I wanted this mattress to look perfect, right? I spent all the money on the platform, so I figured let's just go ahead and do it right. So what I did today is I went and ordered, or a couple days ago, I ordered some what is that? I ordered some material, and I'll flip you around so you can see that. So I went and ordered a bunch of foam, so you can see here, and this is KB14Y. It's a standard automotive foam. Ordered that, and then I also ordered some fabric to upholster it. So just that though, so versus this guy, this is 140 bucks shipped, and just the material alone here to make the bed, but it's going to be a custom fit, it's going to be perfect, but just the material alone was about 300 bucks, and then I still have to take it into an upholstery shop, and they're gonna have to actually do the upholstery work for me. So, you know, it's probably gonna be, I don't know, probably closer to $1,000 for the bed, but it's gonna fit perfectly, and I'm gonna be much happier with it. So, so the next step, guys, I'm still going to be ordering the decked system, and that'll fit right down here. So basically what I'll do is the deck system basically runs right flush to the wheel well. So I guess it's about a foot. It'll sit here. I'll probably raise the bed up a little bit, and then yeah, there should still be plenty of room for me, my wife, and my 2 daughters. So as you can see again here from the side angle, it's all upholstered in. The panels are all done. Looks killer. The windows are in, and yeah, I'm super pumped with it. I'm really excited to get out and actually use it. Yeah, I can't wait to use it. My daughter finally started school, so we could have taken off pretty much any day to go camp, but now she's in school, so we gotta kind of have to work around her school schedule. So anyways, I think this weekend we're gonna try and get out and go. We're just gonna use this Amazon mattress for now, and yeah, that should be it, guys. So again, here it is, one more view from it from the interior. And I'm gonna go ahead and show some of the work in progress photos or videos that I have that I took. So behind all these panels, we actually removed the top here. All the panels we laid in soundproofing, you know, like a Dynamat type of material, 3M thin insulation behind there as well, and also all the way up here. So back here is all nice and quiet, won't get super hot. We're still gonna be installing a fan up top, but for now, this is just kind of what we're working with until we get to that point. And that's it. So stay tuned for the next video. Again, I apologize. I know I've been talking about doing a gas mileage video for the gas version since it's a new model. So I will be doing that. As of now, it's been pretty hot in Southern California. We've had some humidity and stuff. So I've been driving around, just kind of average driving around town, some neighborhoods, a little bit of freeway stuff, and with the air conditioning blowing as hard as it can, and I'm getting 16 miles to the gallon for that. So that's a good kind of real world number. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a video for you guys also. Still, I'm gonna turn the AC off, I'm gonna go freeway, I'm gonna go speed limit only, and get as, you know, see how high you can get the gas mileage to go if you conserve it. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, guys, bye.